happy we're here in Whistler for the 2009 Cornucopia Food and Wine Fest. Tonight's the first opening night. It's a house party event, and we're going to check out Winsett Farms and see what's on their menu.
This is a pan-seared halibut with concerto tomato and fresco cucumber and dolce pepper salsa. All greenhouse grown. All year round, you get the same kind of freshness you would out of your backyard. It's a family business, and it's still a family business, and they're a great family. They're lovely people, and their products are outstanding. I work for them, but I use their products and I eat their products, and I have absolutely no problem standing behind their products.
Now the whole idea is to do fresh, simple recipe using fresh produce. Enjoy.
So good. And so fresh.
I mean, the event just becomes more mature, better known, more producers, more wineries. It just gets better and better.